Lose weight app, belly fat in 1 week with these 5 ingredients. This 5-ingredient drink made of lemon, raw honey, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon and water, will boost your digestion and metabolism, helping you get rid of that stubborn yet unhealthy belly fat in 1 week. Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your notification bells on. There isn't a magic bullet for burning belly fat, but there are some natural remedies that will help you burn fat faster and lose weight naturally. This 5-ingredient drink will boost your digestion and metabolism, helping you burn fat at a faster rate. Just drink it every day on an empty stomach to see the amazing results in 1 week. Do you know losing belly fat isn't an easy task for most people trying to slim down, but it isn't that difficult either. With the right strategies, which include following a healthy lifestyle, you can reduce unhealthy visceral fat in a short span of time. While there isn't a magic bullet for burning belly fat, there are some natural remedies that will help you burn fat faster and lose weight naturally. Excess belly fat is much more than just a wardrobe malfunction. It increases your risk of many serious health conditions such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, stroke, and some cancers, etc. Slimming down your tummy could mean lowering your risk of developing these extremely unpleasant health conditions while also making you feel and look more attractive. If you're looking for a way to lose weight and get flat abs, this tip is for you. This 5-ingredient drink, lemon, organic apple cider vinegar, cinnamon and water, will boost your digestion and metabolism, helping you burn fat at a faster rate. The fact is that the accumulation of toxins in the body can cause excess belly fat, and consuming foods and drinks that eliminate toxins and waste products from the body will help you start losing weight again. This drink we have for you today will help you get rid of your belly fat and reduce the risk of various diseases. Just drink it every day on an empty stomach to see the amazing results in 1 week. How this 5-ingredient drink can help you lose belly fat. The ingredients used in this drink can promote weight loss by giving your metabolism a boost. For instance, lemon can help increase your metabolic rate, boost digestion, as well as reduce the absorption of fat, thereby helping you lose weight and belly fat easier and faster. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most recommended home remedies for weight loss as it helps activate your metabolism, making your body use fat as a form of energy instead of storing it. Cinnamon, like lemons, enhances your metabolism, which aids weight loss. Research on mice has shown that cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in cinnamon, can stimulate the metabolism of the fatty visceral tissue, indicating that the spice could be specifically useful in reducing belly fat. Honey has been linked to many health benefits, including weight loss. For example, one study found that using honey instead of sucrose can prevent weight gain. To make and use this 5-ingredient drink for burning belly fat. Ingredients: water, lemon, organic apple cider vinegar, cinnamon powder, raw honey. Method: take about 250 milliliters of boiled water, preferably at room temperature. Add 2 teaspoons of organic apple cider vinegar. Also, add 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and mix well. Your fat-burning drink is now ready to be consumed. You may drink this every morning on an empty stomach, perhaps twice a day, to flush out toxins from the body and get a flat tummy fast. While you can prepare a large amount of the beverage and store it in the refrigerator, the drink tastes best when consumed immediately after preparation. Adding this delicious drink coupled with a balanced diet and regular exercise to your daily routine should help you get the desired results. Please like and subscribe to this video so you, your family and loved ones can stay healthy and happy.